All right, our I can statement for our analogies lesson is I can fill in an analogy given an example first. So let's introduce what analogies are. This will be really quick, and then you'll do a little worksheet on the subject. So what is an analogy? An analogy compares two things that are mostly different but have some things in common. An example, sun is to day as moon is to night. This is how we say analogies. We use is to in order to compare the two things, all right? So, how are sun and day similar? How are they similar? Yeah, the sun is out in the daytime. And sun is today is similar to, as means is similar to, moon and night, because the moon is out at night. So, sun and day, moon and night are similar because the sun is out in the day and the moon is out at night. So now let's just do a few where we fill in a blank. So I'm given one analogy right here, fishes to water. Okay, how are fish and water similar? Well, a fish lives in the water. Perfect. As dog is to what? Well, fish is to water, the fish lives in the water. So that's how these are similar. So where does the dog live? Land. So I used this first analogy to figure out what my clue was, my key, and I learned, oh, my key is that I'm figuring out where they live. So dog is to land. The dog lives on the land, not in, on the land. Here's our next one. Baby is to cry, as adult is to what? Well, what's my key? What is my key that I'm trying to figure out? Baby and cry. They are similar because babies cry to communicate. So now I know what I got to figure out. How do adults communicate? What do? Do they cry? No, they talk. So baby is to cry, as adult is to talk. All right. Fast is to speedy, as tired is to blank. So what is my key? How are fast and speedy connected? I'm looking at the words. How are they connected? Oh, they mean the same thing. They are synonyms. So my key, oops, you can't see that. My key is synonyms. So what is a synonym for tired? Exhausted, pooped. Those are the ones I can think of. So let's use exhausted. Perfect. We figured out the key was synonyms. So we could say fast is to speedy, as tired is to exhausted. They're both synonyms. Last one. Believable is to unbelievable, as weakness is to what? So what's my key? How are believable and unbelievable connected? How are they similar? What is the same? They look like they're opposites to me. Believable and unbelievable are opposites from each other. So my key must be antonyms. Oops. Which means I just have to find the antonym for weakness. What is the opposite of weakness? Strength. And that is analogies. Find the key, find what connects the words, and then you can fill in the blank. Remember, you are somebody, you were somebody when you came, you'll be a better somebody when you leave. Love you guys.